Hi everyone, I am here with another video and this is based on recursion. So I have already made two videos on recursion. One is basic introduction to recursion and then 6 examples on recursion. If you have not watched my previous videos, please watch them and come back here. So here I am going to discuss two variations of recursion. First, what is meant by recursion? Recursion is the process in which a function calls itself repeatedly to solve a problem. This is called recursion. In this recursion, here I am going to discuss two variations. They are nothing but head recursion and tail recursion. What is meant by head recursion? In head recursion, the function call comes first. That means the recursive call comes first and processing happens next. Processing is nothing but the purpose for which we are writing a recursive function. Processing next. Whereas in tail recursion, processing first and function call or recursive call next. Most commonly, this recursive call would be the last statement of that recursive function. So these are the two variations of recursion that I am going to discuss. One is head recursion and another one is tail recursion. So let us discuss this through an example. So here I am considering one example. The example is printing 1 to n. Printing the numbers 1 to n. So here we will see the name of the function I am going to write is print 1 to n and it takes one parameter n. What is the base condition that I am going to write here? If n becomes 0, return. I told you many times, whenever we write a recursive function, we must take care of two things. The first thing is writing the base condition or base case. The next one is we have to see that every recursive call comes closer to the base condition. Okay, these are the two essential things for any recursive function. So I have written the base case or base condition. Next I will be writing. So what is to be done here? I will be calling this function. This is head recursion, no? So print 1 to n, the function call first and processing next. Print n. Okay. So this is one simple example for head recursion. Let me write the driver code. I will be trying to print the numbers from 1 to 10. That is my task here. So let me run this code. It should print 1 to 10. Oh, only 10 has been printed. What is the problem here? Okay. If n equal to, sorry. In driver code I am printing, that should be print 1 to n. I should call the function rather than printing 10. Yeah. Now we got the result. 1 to 10. Yeah. Next one. This is one good example for head recursion. So next I will demonstrate this tail recursion. What is the nature of this tail recursion? Processing first, function call next. So let me write the code. So the purpose of this is also the same, printing 1 to n. I will take I and then n. I am taking two parameters here. If I becomes n plus 1, return. Then I will be starting with I value 1 and n we can give 10 or 20, that whatever it could be. Initially I will take I value as 1. So if that I value becomes n plus 1, there we can stop. Otherwise we can print that n value. So let us print that one. So not n value, I value here. Let me just do this one. As it is tail recursion, processing happens first. Print I. Next I will be calling the function print 1 to n with updated value, that is I plus 1. I told you, no, at one stage it should come, or it should reach the base condition. So every recursive call must be made so that this reaches to the base case. Okay, so initially we started with I, next it will become I plus 1, next it becomes I plus 2, I plus 3 and so on. Okay, n. Now driver code. Print 1 to n. In place of I, that is 1. In place of n, I will give 10. My interest is to print the numbers from 1 to 10. Let me run this code. Yes, we are printing 1 to 10. So what is happening in this recursive call? Processing first and then recursion next. Okay, this is an example for tail recursion. Here I have considered two examples. The purpose of these two is same, printing the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. And in some old Accenture questions, there was one question. It is given like, in inserting a node into BST, binary search tree, which kind of recursion is followed? Options are like A, what is the option? This head recursion. Next, tail recursion. And the next one is both, D, none. So this is the question given in one of the Accenture questions as part of technical assessment. Okay, so if you can answer this, you please answer this in comment section. So for neat explanation of this one, you please wait for another video. Thank you.